Well, switching stories now. Are you looking for a way to get rid of your wrinkles without breaking the bank? That's key.
That's a great idea. And there is a new device that you can use at home that could be the solution.
Move over Botox and Restylane. There's something new changing faces in Tinseltown. This tiny handheld device called the Galvanic Spa is generating a lot of buzz for smoothing out fine lines and wrinkles without injections or going under the knife.
The lines are softer and the skin is not sagging as much, and it looks just like it's just been lifted up.
The Galvanic Spa uses a low voltage current that has both positive and negative charges to get wrinkle reducing products deep into the skin where they're most effective.
You're able to deliver ingredients to the skin where otherwise you wouldn't be able to. At the same time, you're able to draw impurities out of the skin. That's why we have such refreshed, well-rested looking skin.
The result? Changes you can see.
You get this appearance of the lifted eye, and you get the smoothing out of the appearance of the lines and wrinkles, and that is good news when you're looking for that kind of a result with a facial.
Manufacturer Nu Skin recommends using the Galvanic Spa in the privacy of your home twice a week for the best results.
We have anecdotal evidence that the results last about 3 days and you're ready for another treatment.
The Galvanic Spa isn't cheap. It costs $350, but that's about half what it costs for Botox, which only lasts a few months.
After that first investment, it's about $6 a facial. So it doesn't take long to start to recoup your investment.
Or to fall in love with the new, refreshed-looking you.
We only did one side of my face, and I can feel a difference. One side feels a little heavy, and the other side feels nice and light and really refreshed. And it feels a little tighter, too, so that's great.
Now, galvanic currents have been used for centuries to do things like relax muscle spasms and increase blood flow. So they've been used for centuries, and they work at just lifting the face right up.
I'd listen to anything that woman told me. Her skin is so perfect.
I know, she's beautiful.
She says mayonnaise works. I would probably listen to her. Well, the interesting thing you said earlier is that you can just see it. It's like you're ironing the wrinkles away.
It's amazing because it's not something that is a permanent solution. It only lasts 3 days, but you keep doing it over and over. But you could watch and see, like, one eyebrow would go up, and then you could see this go away, and then she had a line across her neck, and they only did one half of her face, so the line disappeared on her neck.
Oh my gosh.
It's pretty remarkable.
So high school reunions out there, you can look refreshed and perfect. A very interesting story.
All the time, I know.